Hello everyone, welcome to Tricky Cat Camp. In this video, we learn about lever notch blend. Before we started this command, we want to check some problem related to this model. If you have such type of model, you want to resize the blend or offsetting the base. How problem coming? Let's see. You see, this how going. You want to move face like the face. Same problem. Okay. You want to resize the blend not selecting. To tackle this problem, simply go to level notch blend, select the blend, and okay. Now you can offset easily and also resize. Hope you guys understand the command. Thanks for watching.